Hello friends and welcome back to another Neca unboxing, where today I'm unboxing and reviewing Saw Ultimate Jigsaw figure with Billy the Puppet, aka John Kramer. He comes with Billy the Puppet and reverse bear trap, also pig helmet, mask. How much blood would you shed to stay alive? That's all it says. No, I want to play a game. Sad. Come on. Background of blood. Ooh, Billy can come off his tricycle. He comes with 3 different heads. Ooh. The reverse bear trap doesn't open. Sadness. Alright. Here is a no hair, little tiny chin beard head for John Kramer. Then the pig mask head, which is the head he'll have on. And then reverse bear trap. And our test subject for the reverse bear trap, Riddler. It works. You could put any figure in the reverse bear trap. Ooh. It is a little bit wiggly on him, but I'm sure it'll fit better on NECA figures. We'll see in a moment here. He also comes with the arm knife that comes out, the retractable arm knife. Oh yeah, Billy's strapped into. Oh no, Billy has glitter shoes. Oh yeah, and his robe is cloth. So, and his hood can come on and off. Here he is. And then we get the reverse bear trap out again real quick. And then you put the hood on. Underneath the robe, jeans and a red shirt. Don't take the arms off, because or else it looks like he's wearing a red vest with black sleeves. Put the vest back on. Then put the reverse bear trap on. Which you can't because he has hair! Alright. Decapitation. And replace with the pig head. There you go. And then you put the hood on. Ooh, spooky. Spooky. Let us see what else we have in here now. Billy the puppet strapped together. He looks like he has some arm and leg articulation. No jaw articulation, unfortunately. This might be troublesome. There we go. And his tricycle. Here's the Billy the puppet. His glitter shoes. Thankfully, glitter's not getting everywhere. He has some head articulation, some arm articulation, some leg articulation. A lot of leg articulation, actually. No foot articulation. I think he has feet holes that probably stay on his tricycle. Head can turn left and right. And then the tricycle with movable wheels and movable pedals. No movable thing to turn it though. Only movable wheels. And then you put the Billy on the tricycle. On the tricycle. In a second. Man, these movable pedals was not, and they can, or, alright, whatever. On the foot. It's a pain to get on the foot. Alright, it's on the foot. And then back on the tricycle. There we go. Kinda. And then the other one. There we go. And there we have Billy on the tricycle. And he can move. Next up, extra hands and a tape recorder. Oh, there's another piece of tape. Alright. Alright. We have 3 extra hands, the tape recorder, and the retractable knife that doesn't retract. You can put this on his wrist by taking his hand off. Oh, he has 2. So, oh jeez. Rip the hand off. Put the retractable knife probably on the hand like this. And then put the hand in. It's not in there all the way. Alright. You're gonna have to take off his coat and then put the coat back on and put the retractable knife in, which kinda sucks. And I don't think he can hold his tape recorder either. He doesn't come with hands to hold the tape recorder, which also kinda sucks. I rate this a 9 out of 10 because he doesn't come with like an actual hand to hold the tape recorder, but other than that, everything else is pretty cool. There we go. And then Billy, I rated 10 out of 10, 2 thumbs ups, because they did the most they could with him without making him fully articulated. So, friends, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow us on social media, funkyplaybrothers and funkyplaybrothers. And please remember to help us by subscribing to our YouTube. Thank you for watching. Bye.